So this is just a quick little video here doing page 126, question 3. So we can see, right, that point P here, there's two tangents to the point outside the circle, and this one down the bottom here, the very bottom then, is two circles, so it's a tangent to two circles. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw this bigger circle here on this left hand side. I'm going to come over and draw this circle. I'm going to get this tangent, then I can do the inside stuff later on, okay? So that first circle has a radius of 15. Radius of 15. Let's draw my simple lines for the circle. So radius of 15 goes across 115 millimeters from the center. And then my other circle is a radius 25. So I need a tangent between these two circles. So it's going to touch this circle here somewhere. It's going to touch this circle up here somewhere. So first thing is first. We minus our two circles, remember? So you take the small one from the big one. So it's radius 25 minus radius 15, and that gives us radius 10. So we need to now draw a radius 10 circle inside this bigger one. Okay? We then join the centers of our circles. So it's two centers joined. Our next step is to bisect that line, okay? So we need to bisect this line here now. So compass more than halfway, swing it above and below, and I can join up my little extent. So that's that line now bisected. I'm now going to draw a semicircle here down on the bottom portion to get semicircle, okay? Where this semicircle crosses the small circle over here, we join them through and extend them on to the outside of the big circle. That's 1 point of contact. That's 1 point of contact. Point of contact. And we're going to go parallel now from that line, from that normal line, from the center of the circle over here to get the other point of contact. We can join these in then. That's that tangent there created. Okay? Now, it gives us this line here. That's that normal there that we're after finding. So that line there is that normal. So I can darken this section in as well, just so we can start to see it more clearly. Now, we can be smart about the next thing, okay? So, they want another line up here, parallel, and it hits off this other circle, right? So there's a 5 millimeters difference in the radius between these two circles, okay? Rather than drawing the 10 millimeter circle in here and doing all this again, okay? Doing my minus, drawing my small circle, it's just a load of work. What we can do, right, we can be kind of cute. We can measure 5 millimeters up, away from the tangent we've drawn. You can go parallel to the tangent. Like so. Okay? What we can then draw in is my circle over there, which is a radius 10. So drawing my circle here, radius 10. And we can darken this in. To finish this bit of the circle off, it's just 60 degrees. Now all I've left to do is my tangent up here. Okay? So it's 25 millimeters back from the center. 25, which is in the circle. 25, and it's up 60. We draw a straight line up here. It's up a height of 60 millimeters. So that's point P. So we now have a point outside the circle this time, and we have a circle. So how do we draw a tangent to that? Well, first step, join point P to the center of the circle. You then bisect that line. You can then draw in a semicircle. And where that semicircle crosses each portion of the circle is our tangent. So, this is my point for the inside, point for the outside circle, point of contact for the inside one. So we can join point P back to the corresponding points. And that's the question fully completed then.